Well, hello and good morning. Welcome to the Monthly Minute. My name is Matt Mallory, CEO of Mallory Agency and the National Restaurant Practice Leader for our firm. This morning, we want to say welcome again to this distribution. We hope you're finding value in the thought leadership and the content that we share. Today, we're going to be discussing a topic within workers' compensation, and that is the minimum mod. Certainly, all of you are familiar with workers' comp insurance, the cost, which is very expensive. It is the cost to insure your people, which is very important. Many of you I know are familiar with the experience mod. Maybe you're even familiar with the math and the mechanics behind the mod. How many of you, however, are familiar with the minimum mod? It is certainly a win to be below a 1.00. It's even a bigger win to be at your minimum mod because minimum mod means minimum cost. Now remember, quick side note, NCCI is the governing body over workers' compensation. They use the experience mod as kind of a judging mechanism between you and your peers. Who is performing the best? Who is an elite performer? So, said differently, if you're at your minimum mod, not only are you an extraordinary restaurant leader, but also your insurance program is an elite performer amongst your peers. What a great win. Today, we're going to offer a few pathways to get to your minimum mod. Pathway number one, claims management. Claims management is talked about a lot, but more conceptual than applicable. So today we're going to talk about who is overseeing your claims management, especially if you're a multi-concept, multi-state risk. Who is overseeing and make sure there is consistency and discipline between all of your GMs, how they report, file, manage, and close the claim. Critical. All of those efforts directly impact your experience mod. Number two, the reserve. That dollar figure attached to each injury, well, who picks it? And why is it picked at that amount? The insurance company does. Every injury has a designated amount of money attached to it per insurance company and per state. Who within your organization is making sure that that reserve is audited for accuracy and closed as quickly as possible? Because again, it directly affects your experience mod. And then third, which gets probably fewer minutes of airtime, a workplace safety program. Do you currently have a formal workplace safety program, and how is it overseen? Making sure that safety is a deep part of the culture within your restaurant organization. From back at the house to the front of the house, making sure that everyone understands situational awareness and is being accountable to their coworkers and themselves on being safe in the work environment. All three pathways will help you arrive at your minimum mod as quickly as possible and making sure that you have your minimum cost. Just think about the money that could be saved and the capital you could reinvest in your company for talent acquisition, strategic initiatives, maybe technology, all the different ways you could use that capital rather than using it for insurance. Again, thank you for being a part of this distribution. Our team is here to help and support you, the restaurant leader, to make sure you have the most strategic and most cost-effective insurance program possible. Have a great day.